Hey guys, we're playing Watch Dogs. You want to watch me kill this kid?
That's a girl, you dummy. Oh, right in the back. Go, 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 go. Guys, so this is Watch Dogs 2. And it's me, Ezra Nunez, behind the camera. What else do you want to say? Because it's literally so quiet.
Well, I'm just going to grab this motorcycle right now.
Look at that dirt bike. Woo! Is that a dirt bike? Yep, it is.
Woo!
I teach you how to do that, you dummy. You're gonna crash, promise me. Because I...
Woo. Guys, you want to watch me commit suicide?
Do it!
Just kidding.
No, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Okay, you gotta kill... You gotta kill 3 persons in each. Do it. If you kill 5 police guys, I'll give you $5.
Boom!
Bro, if you kill 5 police cops, I'll give you $5. What do you say? He doesn't know that.
Bro!
Hey, get him off the car, boy. Get him off the car. Oh, you broke this window. How did you do that? Move your head out. God, he just killed someone. Bam! He didn't shoot her? Guys, you're calling the police. You gotta suicide real fast. Suicide, suicide. That wasn't even a suicide. Keep killing people, keep killing people. I said keep killing people!
Oh no.
Well, you suck.
I'm just getting a new car so I can go faster.
I know, but keep killing people. Oh!
Oh, Lambo.
Lambo, bambo.
They didn't call the police on me.
Oh, that looks like a gold when you went back there. It looks like gold. Oh! Run, 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 run!
I have a Lambo. I'm going.
He's going to the right. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride to the gate no more. Got the horses in the back. Let us see the dance. Raise your back. Got the horses I can ride.
What are you doing? That's
What?
not even their words.
I know I suck.
Woo.
You knows how to sing the song so good. Oh God, I almost saw.
Take my horse.
To the old time road, I'm gonna ride to the gate no more. Got the. You said, oh, guys, he's trying to destroy that Lambo. You just did destroy that Lambo. Looks like a Trambo. You suck.
I love doing that.
Why? You seem like a mouse.
Purple.
You gonna take my horse.
Thanks for the money.
40? Dang, you have a lot. Should I stop the video?
No.
Because you're really not doing nothing. Be quiet and kill him, bro.
Nah.
Oh, you serious?
Get out of my way, you dumb bus.
Oh, God, that seemed like he was jumping in the air. Calling the police on you, calling the police. You gotta suicide yourself after this. Emergency. Guys, we got the pro, the gamer. The ball! Suicide yourself. You just, no. Get off the, you have to suicide yourself. Get your gun out, get your gun out. Get your dang, get on that thing, get on that thing. You suck. Bro, you got a suicide. Remember you gotta, oh. Okay, my turn, guys. My turn. Yeah, you hold the camera. You hold the camera. And it's on your channel, just so you know.
Guys, this is him playing. Bro, that was just dumb.
Billy didn't do nothing. I was gonna do this. That's what I mentioned by that. Should I kill him? Hey,
Hijack, hijack, hijack.
Hey! What's wrong with y'all?
Come on! Hijack their vehicle.
Let's get out of here. Go, 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 go. There's party chickens! Wait! They're shooting at my teammate. What's good? Let's go! What's good? Don't shoot my teammate, boy. Let's go.
Get their
What's
car.
good?
Get in.
Oh,
Here.
shoot.
Okay, guys, this is me playing again.
I got killed so fast. Wait.
Because you suck.
I don't.
Oh,
Look, guys, this is him right here. He thinks I suck. Actually, I do suck at this one. But I don't suck at Fortnite.
Suck more than me.
No, I don't. Bro, you gotta do the same thing I did. Or else you gotta suicide yourself right now.
Homeless.
That ain't. Oh, you God. That wasn't a homeless. Okay, let them call the police on you. Let them come the police on you.
911.
Shoot that. Shoot it. Who escaped, you dummy?
It's not me.
I'm not. Oh. Do you just start that thing?
Please remain calm.
Guys, this guy's a dummy. Team up! No. No. Why did you do that?
I don't know what I did.
Please wait. Connecting to. You suck.
I didn't do anything.
Yes,
I
you
pressed B.
Wait. Do it. Do it. Log into Upsep. Do that.
3-8.
No, you're dumb. Oh, God, I almost. Guys, so we're doing this so we can team up. Yes, do it, do it. Create a applicant and do, yep. Back to game. Wait, you did it? He has disconnected! No!
He left.
He left the session. Why? Maybe he's gonna restart. I think that's true. But you can team up now, right? Let's do it. I never knew that I was gonna just do it. Go! I'm gonna. You wanna put the song?
Get out of my way.
You wanna do the Old Time Real song?
Put on this song.
Okay, then give me the control so I can put it on. Yes!
We'll do it later.
Okay, you suck. You suck! Imagine that was real life. You hit that thing and you flew off. Guys, I'm gonna end the video because this guy ain't suiciding. So, 3,
You're not ending.
2. Yes,
This
I
is
am.
my account. You can't end it.
Yep, I can. 3, 2, 1.
I saw you were doing it.
Guys, so he looks really mad.
No, I don't.
I'm just gonna put the camera on your face.
Why?
Cause,
Oh, yeah.
guys, he just crashed, so he's a bad driver, but he's a good shooter.
I don't get it.
Kill him! Get the tank! Oh! What? Right now, I'm gonna take my horse to the road. I'm
Oh,
gonna
there's a cop.
to the gate. No more. I got the horses in the back. Okay, shoot. I dare you shoot the cops, bro. Shoot the cops. Ah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, dog.
Don't round off the guy. So this guy's. Oh, they're fighting.
I'm going to get him.
They're fighting. Shoot that one that you almost ran over. Oh! Oh, they just got. Guys. He literally. Shoot!
How?
Shoot! Shoot! Woo! Shoot! Shoot, man, shoot. I don't want you to die. Guys, so he's getting killed right now. But you got a suicide anyways.
That's right. He's running.
He's not running. Go back. You gotta shoot those cops, bro. You gotta shoot those cops. Or else I'm gonna cancel this thing.
Found the suspect's gone. We're not giving up yet.
You gotta suicide it.
I'm trying to find a car.
Suicide yourself with that bike. You had the moment to suicide yourself right there. Okay, suicide right there, right there, right there.
Fuck and hate know-it-all. Huh?
What'd you say?
What did you just say? Kill him in the face. Anybody else need a... You shoot him right in the face.
We need an ambulance here.
We need an
right
ambulance
now.
here right now. Don't, no, let her... Oh, you just got a police on you, boy. You what? Hey, hey, yeah, I like this thing. You gotta dance, boom, boom.
I like there's cars.
What? Oh, I like those cars. Just let suicide yourself. Oh, look at that. Suicide yourself. Guys, this is his face right here.
I just made his car go back.
he's still alive. Guys, so I'm going to end it right here.
No, you're not.
Hurry up then. Suicide yourself.
I'm hacking this car, the
Guys,
ambulance.
This guy won't
Oh,
suicide
no,
himself.
ran the ambulance off the road. Oh,
That's
I didn't make
good.
the cop crash.
You know what? I'm just going to drop the camera. I'm dropping the camera. No, you didn't kill yourself. You're still alive, you
I
dummy.
know, it keeps doing that for some random reason. The cops are about to be dead.
Or take it back. Okay, guys.
Hey guys, this is Ezra.
I'm pretty